So my name is Fahy, and I'm a Senior Standards Officer in the NSAI, that's the National Standards Authority of Ireland. As part of my role, I work in the development of new standards based on new standardisation requests or revise existing ones in consultation with multiple stakeholders through NSAI technical committees. We also monitor European standardisation activities, ensure Ireland's voice is heard in the development of standards in the European space. We run awareness campaigns to highlight the importance of standards in various industries, including government agencies. I'm actively involved in building and maintaining relationships and connections with stakeholders, industry associations, government bodies, and European and international standards organisations. The NSAI is Ireland's official standards body. We operate under the National Standards Authority of Ireland Act, and we are accountable to the Minister for Business, Employment and Retail in the Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment. As Ireland's official standards body, NSAI aims to inspire consumer confidence and create the infrastructure for products and services to be recognised and relied on all over the world. Where a standard already exists, the NSAI works with businesses to help them apply it. Where a standard may be needed, the NSAI will work with relevant parties at national and international level to create and develop the appropriate standard. NSAI improves the performance of Irish businesses and protects customers through the setting of standards and the issuing of certification in the quality and safety of goods and services. The NSAI is vital for Irish enterprise and especially for businesses based in Ireland, both large and small, who are looking to grow in export markets, whether directly or by participating in global supply chains, where the validation provided by standards and by certification is so valuable. As global issues of climate change, new technologies and international trade evolve, the role of standards has never been more apparent. The Sustainable Development Goals have the overall objective to lead to sustainable development globally. For it to be achieved, it's important to harmonise three core elements. That's economic growth, social inclusion and environmental protection. But looking more closely at the Sustainable Development Goals, we can see that 12 of them are linked to the management of natural resources. But in particular, goal number 12, responsible consumption and production, is at the core of an efficient strategy to balance economic development. I suppose changing the way we produce goods, favouring a more circular approach in material use, but also in how we consume our resources is important too. With respect to the NSAI, manufacturing standards and standards-based management systems can encourage manufacturers to develop quality products using less resources that operate longer, that are fit to be upgraded, reused and recycled in the future. It's a national standard recommendation. I'm involved in the revision of SR 54, the Code of Practice for the Energy Efficient Retrofitted Dwellings. It's my favourite standard. It's very easy to read and it's available on the NSAI website. The scope of the standard recommendation addresses the energy retrofit of the building fabric and services of detached, semi-detached and terraced dwellings of not more than 3 stories. The main purpose of the SR is to provide technical guidance on the design and installation of retrofit measures to improve the energy efficiency, thereby supporting the Government of Ireland's National Retrofit Plan, which was published as part of the Climate Action Plan in 2021 and sets out how the government will deliver on a retrofit target of 500,000 homes to be B or Building Energy Rating Standard by 2030. And I think the SR 54 Code of Practice is a document that will really help in achieving those targets. Very readable, as I say, available on the NSAI website. So I recommend everybody rush out and grab a copy.